Rico Cafe and Western was established in November 2023 by Amir Maidin bin Azlan. The cafe was founded based on his experience working in Western food preparation and kitchen management at Meridian, Kuala Lumpur. The idea of opening the cafe began after he returned to Perlis and decided to utilize his skill by starting his own business. Rico Cafe offers Western food, pastries, coffee and dessert at affordable prices for local customers in a relaxed environment. In the early stage of establishing Rico Cafe and Western, it wasn't easy to start the business as the cafe faced several challenges, including a location far from urban areas that serve customer flow, managing initial costs, a lack of experienced staff, and introducing Western food to local customers. But the cafe successfully received positive feedback thanks to consistently good food, friendly staff, and customers recommending it to others. Planning is an important element of good management as it helps an organization set a direction, objective, and the ways to achieve them. Without proper planning, a business may face difficulties because it is not well prepared to handle problems. In Malaysian fast and dynamic business environment, planning helps business adapt to change and reduce risk. In this study, we focus on the selected organization, which is Rico Cafe, by explaining some of the steps taken by the management team in planning annual strategies or large-scale projects. The first step is identifying planning objectives at Rico Cafe. For example, ensuring high service quality or planning business expansion, such as opening a new branch. This step is important so that management knows what they want to achieve and everyone can focus on the same goal. Next, the management analyzes the current state of the business at Rico Cafe. They assess daily operation, staff performance, service quality, and customer feedback. This analysis is important to identify the strength and weakness of the business before making decisions or implementing new strategies. Then, management evaluates several planning alternatives. For example, Rico Cafe access exciting system, SOP, and the flexibility of each new strategy. This step is important to ensure the chosen strategy is practical, suitable, and risks are minimized. After that, the most appropriate strategy is selected. This is important to ensure operation run efficiently, food and service standards are maintained, and long-term risks are reduced. Next, tasks and responsibilities are assigned to staff through briefing session. This is important so that everyone knows their roles, can work effectively, and the plan is implemented smoothly without disrupting daily operation. Finally, management at Rico Cafe monitors and evaluates the implementation, including staff performance, service offer, and customer feedback. This is important to identify weakness and make improvement through additional training or strategy adjustment, ensuring the planning process support the long-term success of Rico Cafe.
I will explain regarding our organization structure and the types of organizational structure. Rico Cafe uses a simple and effective organizational structure suitable for a small cafe. The cafe is divided into three main parts, which is the service staff, the kitchen team, and management. The service staff handle customer orders and service, while the kitchen team prepares food and ensures quality. Management is handled directly by the owner, Ami, who oversees daily operations. Rico Cafe follows a flat and functional structure, which allows clear communication, fast decision-making, and efficient workflow. Standard operating procedures and regular staff briefings help maintain consistent service and food quality. This structure also supports teamwork and prepares the cafe for future expansion.
Encik Amir has worked for 2 years at Lee Meridian, Kuala Lumpur, and has gained a lot of knowledge from it. He uses all those knowledge and apply it to Rico Cafe, and he also apply new knowledge that he gained after sometimes working on Rico Cafe. The type of leadership that he uses is transformational leadership. This leadership helps build trust among his employees, and it helps encourage innovation because it is important in a competitive cafe where trends are shifting quickly.
Next, I will explain about the controlling function. Controlling is the process of monitoring and evaluating work performance to ensure all activities follow the planned objective. It helps management identify problems early and take corrective action to improve effectiveness. At Rico Cafe and Restaurant, this function is important to ensure daily operation runs smoothly. First, use of digital platform. At Rico Cafe and Restaurant, the manager use digital platforms such as Google Renting, GrabFood, ShopeeFood, and Foodpanda to collect customer feedback. This renting help measure customer satisfaction and service quality. Based on the feedback, management can improve workflow, service speed, and overall customer experience. Second, controlling stock and raw material. The manager also controls stock and raw material by monitoring them daily. As the stock is compared with inventory record to avoid shortage or wastage. This helps control costs and ensure the quality of food is consistently maintained. Lastly, controlling employee attendance and schedule. The manager monitor employee attendance and work schedule. Staff scheduling is adjusted based on customer demand, especially during weekend or public holiday. This ensures there are enough employees to provide fast and efficient service to customers.
Next, I will explain on my part, which is analysis based on planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. For planning, Rico Cafe uses clear standard operating procedures that guide daily activities from opening to closing, helping staff work efficiently and maintain quality. In terms of organizing, the cafe is divided into service staff, kitchen staff, and management with clear roles to avoid confusion and ensure smooth workflow. For leading, Ami practices hand-on leadership by guiding staff directly, setting examples, and supporting employee development. Lastly, for controlling, performance is monitored through customer feedback, online reviews, and daily observations, allowing quick improvements to service and operations. Together, these management functions help Rico Cafe maintain consistency, efficiency, and long-term sustainability. And finally, I will explain my part, which is recommendation regarding the improvement suggestions based on planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. For planning, Rico Cafe is recommended to set long-term strategic goals such as preparing for festive seasons, promotions, and future expansion, supported by a planning review system using sales and customer feedback data. In terms of organizing, cross-training staff can improve flexibility during peak hours, while digital task management tools can enhance coordination and accountability. For leading, introducing staff recognition programs and developing leadership skills among senior staff can improve motivation and reduce reliance on the owner. Lastly, for controlling, structured performance monitoring and regular review meetings can help identify issues early and maintain consistent service quality. These recommendations support efficiency, employee development, and sustainable growth.
For conclusion, the study shows that Rico Cafe and Western practice effective management by applying the four main management functions, which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. This function helps the cafe operate smoothly and remain competitive in the food and beverage industry. First, in the term of planning, Rico Cafe use standard operation procedure to ensure daily operation runs in organized and systematic way. This also helps the business stay prepared for future growth such as enlargement and franchising. For organizing, the cafe applies a functional organizational structure. This structure allows employees to focus on their specific tasks, improve teamwork, and ensure better communication, especially during peak hours when crowd control is important. In the term of leadership, the owner practice a transformational leadership styles by directly involved in daily operations. The owner motivate employees and create a positive work culture based on responsibility and continuous improvement. Lastly, the controlling functions is applied through customer feedback, inventory management, staff scheduling, and performance monitoring. This helps the cafe maintain service quality and quickly solve operational problems. Thank you.